So now we're going to start talking about keywords, and doing your keyword research, much like we've indicated previously, it's really important to plan out those keywords. And there's actually different types of ways to plan out your keywords. So we've got, within keyword research, we've got what's called long tail and short tail keywords. And what that means is that typically when a user enters in a term in a search, as opposed to just WordPress, they would type in WordPress themes for sale or something like that. And this is more of a long tail keyword because we've got at least 4 words and we're being really specific as to actually what I'm looking for within the search results. So as opposed to just WordPress, which could return any number of different results. So I'm just going to open up a search here. Simply typing something like WordPress really doesn't give us a lot of information as to what the user is actually looking for. And even though if you focus on something like a short term, just this one word WordPress, and if somehow you are able to rank, which is going to be quite a lot harder to rank than more specific terms, and even though if you do rank for it, whatever search term people are looking for, if someone's looking for a WordPress tutorial and you've got WordPress themes, then a WordPress result and showing up high within WordPress tutorial section doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. And just showing up in general with WordPress, it might get you traffic, but again, you got to think about that bounce rate. And you don't want people coming to your website, they're not happy with the content of your website, it's not what they were looking for, they typed in WordPress, they wanted WordPress tutorials, you've got WordPress themes, they're going to quickly exit your website. And this is the whole idea about focusing on long tail keywords and keyword phrases. Because the truth of the matter is, when it comes to searches, that a lot of the search terms that people are searching for could have even more than 5 words that people are entering in. So users, when they come into Google search, at least 70% of the users that are coming in are actually searching 4 or more words. So they're being really specific, and that means that they're also expecting to get those tailored specific results. So those would be a long tail keyword. Short tail, again, you could drive a lot of traffic. You're going to get quite a lot more traffic because more people are searching for that term, but it's not going to be as specific. So overall, it's not really exactly what you want to be focusing on. And for someone like WordPress.com, well, this is ideal, and they actually should be coming up near the top because they're going to provide that initial entry point for users looking for WordPress content, and then from there they could go through and they could look for tutorials, downloads, login, blogs, and so on. And going back to our graph, so when we look at the graph on something like search results, so if we had up here, we had the number of people that are searching for that term would be really high, but this would only be for specific terms. And as we see that the number that are searching that specific term goes down, but you also have that curve that levels out where people are more satisfied with the results that are being returned. So focus more on what something is in the long tail as opposed to the short tail, and you're going to get happier people that are coming in and are going to be more satisfied with the results that are being returned. You'll see here as well when we go over to, we're going to be using keywordtool.io. So this is a good alternative for our Keyword Planner by AdWords, which of course is another really good tool. Now for AdWords, you actually have to set up a billing account for them in order to get to the Keyword Planner, but I'm going to show you that in the upcoming lesson as well, and how to access the Keyword Planner. You do get a lot of really good results, but if you do something like this, we see that we do get equivalent keywords here, and you can see here that our search term for WordPress, so if I do something like just WordPress, although within this tool, and I believe in order to get the search volume, we'd have to upgrade the account, but for now we can see that the search term WordPress is returning WordPress themes, plugins, downloads, tutorials, and just on something simple like WordPress, you can see that there are a lot of different specific things that people are searching for just for WordPress itself. So we see here that WordPress bootstrap themes, business themes, and all of these are really great terms, and again, it's going to be a lot easier to rank for something like WordPress business themes as opposed to just WordPress. And again, you're going to have those people that are coming in and they're going to be a lot more satisfied with the results. So in the upcoming lesson, I'm going to look at the AdWords keyword planner as well and show you the different results that we can get from there.